告利雅施利华街 Girls, girls, girls in Macau, Macau, Macau. Long lines of girls waiting for ice cream, ice cream in Macau. Oh, ice cream in Macau. Walking down Rua Correia to Silva, walking down those streets of Macau, walking by long lanes of girls in Macau, walking down Rua Correia to Silva.
Here's a sign right there. It says Rua Correia de Silva. That's the name after Portuguese. We're going to be walking down that street. It's a really busy day. There's something going on with some kind of K-pop event today. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but there's a lot of people with like K-pop signage and stuff like that. So we'll probably see more of that. And there's a whole lineup on our street, which is down that way a little bit. So we're going to be walking down that as well. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're going to walk down this particular street. So let me show you what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So that's the start of our street right there, Rua Correia de Silva. We're just going to walk in here briefly. I just want to give the context to this full street. A lot of people come here, this Tiger Sugar. There's some kind of K-pop references in this whole area. A lot of people will come up here, and it says Macau, so there's a big sign right there that says Macau. It changes all the time, but that's at the base of our street. Correia de Silva is right here, and then this one is Cunha. So all those crowds and all those people walking along is all Cunha people. So what we're going to attempt to do is walk down this busy street. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to walk on the shady side of the street. So let me just see if I can even get across at all. Oh, we got more mural stuff right there too. So we'll see if we can get on that side. Got the police is coming to control. There's so much traffic today, so we'll see. That's going to be our target street down that way. Looks like we can go down. So that's Cunha down that way. And then we are going to go down this way. Try to come into the shady side. See, there's little side streets, but there's a bunch of people in the side streets. And there's actually these little alleys that go up. So that one is, I think it's called Kosho. That looks pretty cool too. Kosho. Bus stop, people waiting for the buses. Oops. Okay, so we're going to try to navigate this. So many people today. You can see even the little rooftops up there as well. Okay. So you're going to see a big long line of people coming up pretty soon. Let's see if we can. And there's also all these little alleys like this. A little line of people here. Let me let them all go by. Okay. So let me just see here. Got lots of little shops everywhere in here. And then I think there's a whole line right here for ice cream. So all these people are lining up for ice cream, I believe. So yeah, this is an ice cream line right here. So we're gonna try to come across a little bit. Giant long line right there, so they're all coming to get this ice cream right here, gelato, and the line goes all the way down. So that's, I don't know if it's all related to K-pop, or what it is exactly. And we also got all the people here as well. Okay, so let's go down and see. So yeah, the super long line. I'm gonna try to go across, see if we can find a spot to go into this somewhere. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let me see. So this whole line goes all the way down that way. And it's all for that ice cream. So that ice cream is extremely popular. And then just to give you some context, this goes into the Taipa village alleys. So I'm gonna just come in here briefly to kind of show you what's in here. This right here is, this guy who owns this is called Cristiano. This Portugal ice cream. It's good to see he's doing business, doing good business. Okay, so that's a little bit of a tap into Taipa village, but that's not our target street, but it's all parallel right next to us. Here's Antonio. So Antonio is a Michelin award-winning restaurant. Okay, so we're back to our long lines right here, and I guess what we're gonna do is try to continue down our target street here. Yeah, lots of long lines everywhere. So we go all the way down. So the line's gonna end down this way. So that line is at least 40-50 people, I think. And then we go back into the alleys again as well. So we just kind of take a look there. So we'll see. So we got a massively long line there. So it goes all the way down, and lots of people still coming to get in the end of the line, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go back over to here. Then we'll continue down the shady side of the street because it's quite bright today. So yeah, very popular today. Macau's been holding a lot of K-pop events, so there's a lot of fans that come from all over Asia, at least, and maybe even the world, I've heard. So directly ahead is Galaxy Casino, by the way. And then you'll see lots of little tourist stuff. This is a little Macau restaurant, tourist shop as well. Magnets. In a minute, I'm going to turn around and show you some artwork. So there's some artwork right there. And that's kind of our target street, all the different people everywhere. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this way briefly, and then this is all in this Macau Taipa village area. So you can see more of these Macau signs that people take pictures around. More alleys. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna continue back down to our street. That's the Macau. So, okay. And then we have Pedro Cozinho. This is a Portuguese restaurant. And we are going to try to go further down. You can see Galaxy Casino straight ahead. And we're going to go straight ahead as well. That's a fish restaurant to the straight to the other side of the street. And then where we're at, and if we could get some shade, which we're going to get in a second, we'll go across the street and try to get some context of these beautiful buildings. Okay, so that's our target street right there. This is this beautiful blue building here. And then this would be kind of near the end of the street. So I think the street ends right up in this area. Then that goes all the way down to where Taipa's original border was at, where the ocean used to be, and then they reclaimed the land. There we go, that's that Phuket Street. So let me go across here. There we go. So yeah, that was our target street right there. And then we're just going to, that goes into the type of village space again. And then this one just continues. So this street goes into a little plaza right here. So I don't know if this is officially the plaza that we're at now or the same street. But we're gonna continue all the way down to the end. Okay. So we're gonna end the video, and I believe that would probably be either officially the end of the street or part of the plaza. There you go. Place of Macau there.